My name is Wendy LaPierre, and I'm a lieutenant with the Pembroke Police Department. I've been a police officer for over 23 years and have responded to hundreds of motor vehicle crashes. However, there is little that compares to rolling up on a scene to discover the sudden, violent death of a person because another operator decided to get behind the wheel while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. There is one call that still resonates with me. It was a busy Saturday night several years ago, and I remember it clearly. I wanted to take the night off to attend the retirement party of a local firefighter. Unfortunately, I was unable to get someone to fill my shift and had to work. It was just after 8 p.m. when we were dispatched to the horrific scene. It was one of those calls that you could tell by the dispatcher's voice that it was going to be bad. The victims in the crash were a mom who was driving, her teenage daughter, and daughter's friend. The operator was deceased upon my arrival. The two girls were severely injured. The daughter was able to ask if her mom was okay. I couldn't bring myself to tell her the truth about her mother. I told her that we have the very best paramedics in Pembroke and they are doing everything they can to save her. Both girls sustained severe injuries and required months of rehabilitation and will likely never be the same. Because the other operator made such a bad decision, he negatively impacted the lives of so many people, including himself. He was found guilty of all charges and spent 5 to 7 years in a state prison. Please don't drive under the influence. We want everyone to make it home safe.